This is an emergency notice from the Pierce County Sheriff's Office. Due to heavy flooding, the following neighborhoods in the Orting area are being issued a Level 3 Go Now evacuation notice: Williams Boulevard Northwest, Mellinger Avenue Northwest, and Stone Street Northwest. Level 3 means leave immediately. Do not take time to gather things or protect your home. Go now. The following areas are under a Level 2B set evacuation notice: High Cedars Golf Course Community, south of Puyallup River near 150th Avenue East, 188th Street East, 184th Street East, 176th Street Extension, 168th Street East, and off Pioneer Way East, 177th Street East, and Patterson Road East. Level 2 means you must be prepared to leave at a moment's notice, and this may be the only notice you receive. If you have a disability, children, pets, or large animals, consider leaving now. Do not call 911 unless you need to report a life-threatening emergency.